Welcome to Turkey, a land of breathtaking beauty and rich history. In this video, we'll take you on a whirlwind tour of Turkey's most stunning destinations. Join me as we explore this incredible country and discover its hidden gems. Number 10. Mount Nemrut. Start your journey at Mount Nemrut, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the giant statues of gods and goddesses and witness the breathtaking sunset over this sacred mountain. Number 9. Cappadocia. Witness the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia, a region known for its unique rock formations, underground cities, and hot air balloon rides. Explore the fairy chimneys and discover the ancient civilizations that once inhabited this region. Number 8. Antalya. Explore the historic city of Antalya with its charming old town, ancient ruins, and lively cultural scene. Enjoy delicious Mediterranean cuisine and experience the local hospitality. Number 7. Alanya. Discover the coastal town of Alanya, a haven for adventure seekers. Relax on the beautiful Cleopatra Beach, explore the impressive Alanya Castle, or embark on a boat tour. Number 6. Ephesus. Step back in time to the ancient ruins of Ephesus. Walk through the Library of Celsus, marvel at the ancient theater, and experience the grandeur of this once mighty city. Number 5. Izmir. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Izmir. Explore the bustling Kemeraltı Market, admire the beautiful Hisar Mosque, and visit the Izmir Clock Tower. Number 4. Pamukkale. Discover the natural wonder of Pamukkale, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the travertine terraces formed by thermal waters and explore the ancient city of Hierapolis. Number 3.
Aladağlar National Park.
For outdoor enthusiasts, Aladağlar National Park offers a playground of adventure. Hike through lush forests, camp under the stars, or raft down the rushing rivers. Number 2. Uludeniz. Escape to the serene beauty of Uludeniz, a paradise for nature lovers. Relax on its pristine beaches, swim in the crystal-clear waters, or take a thrilling paragliding adventure. Number 1. Istanbul. Our journey concludes in Istanbul, a vibrant metropolis that bridges the East and West. Marvel at the iconic Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Explore the Grand Bazaar, a bustling marketplace filled with colorful textiles, ceramics, and spices. Turkey is a land of incredible diversity, from its vibrant cities to its tranquil beaches and ancient ruins. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or simply looking to unwind, Turkey has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next journey.